Are you getting money requests on Cash App but not sure how to enable or manage them? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to accept money requests on Cash App and customize who can send them. Stay tuned until the end because I'll also share a pro tip that helps you control your privacy while still making sure you never miss an important request. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This takes you to your account settings. Scroll down and look for the security and privacy section and tap on it. Inside, you'll find a section called Requests and Incoming Requests. This is where the magic happens. Toggle on the option that says Allow others to request money from me. Once you turn it on, you get to choose who can send you requests. You'll see two options: Allow all and contacts only. If you select Allow all, anyone using Cash App can request money from you. If you choose contacts only, then only the people saved in your phone contacts can send requests. For most people, leaving it on Allow All is the easiest way to make sure you don't miss a payment request from someone new. And that's it. Now your Cash App account is set up to receive money requests, and you have full control over who can contact you. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick Cash App tips, and check out the links in the description for more guides to master your Cash App settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.